Heal your kidneys, must-have drinks. Struggling with kidney health? Discover the 10 essential drinks to heal your kidneys effectively. These natural beverages can significantly improve your kidney function and overall well-being. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a healthier you with these simple, everyday drinks. Kidney health is crucial for overall wellness. Proper kidney function helps to filter waste and excess fluids from the blood. A healthy diet, including specific drinks, plays a vital role in maintaining and improving kidney health, preventing various complications. The kidneys act as vital filters for the body, removing toxins and balancing fluids. Without optimal kidney function, waste can build up, leading to severe health issues. Ensuring your kidneys are healthy is essential for maintaining overall bodily functions and vitality. Common kidney problems include stones, infections, and chronic kidney disease. These issues can cause significant pain and discomfort, affecting daily life. Addressing these conditions early with the right dietary choices can prevent further complications and promote long-term kidney health. Fortunately, certain drinks can aid in healing and maintaining kidney health. Incorporating these beverages into your daily routine can provide essential nutrients and hydration. This simple change can make a significant difference in your kidney function and overall health. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney function, and water is the most effective way to achieve this. It helps flush out toxins and prevents kidney stones by diluting minerals. Drinking enough water daily supports overall kidney health and efficiency. Lemon juice, rich in citric acid, plays a significant role in preventing kidney stones. The acid helps break down calcium deposits and inhibits stone formation. Regular consumption of lemon juice can be a natural and refreshing way to support kidney health. Cranberry juice is well known for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, which can affect kidney function if left untreated. By preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, cranberry juice helps maintain kidney health and reduces infection risk. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that benefit kidney health. It helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, promoting better function. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can support long-term kidney health. Beet juice is beneficial for lowering blood pressure and improving blood flow to the kidneys. Its high nitrate content helps relax blood vessels and enhance circulation. Regular consumption can support kidney function and overall cardiovascular health, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Ginger tea offers remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a fantastic choice for kidney health. Regular consumption can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve their overall function, while also providing a comforting and soothing drink option. Dandelion tea serves as a potent diuretic, aiding in the detoxification of the kidneys. By increasing urine production, it helps flush out toxins and reduce the risk of kidney-related issues, while also offering a mild, earthy flavor. Apple cider vinegar is known for its ability to dissolve kidney stones and prevent infections. Its acetic acid content helps break down stones while also promoting a healthy environment within the urinary tract, making it a powerful ally for kidney health. Smoothies made with berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins essential for kidney health. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries provide nutrients that support kidney function and combat oxidative stress, making these delicious drinks both nutritious and beneficial. Coconut water is incredibly hydrating and helps prevent kidney stones. Its natural electrolytes and minerals, like potassium, support kidney function and fluid balance, making it an excellent choice for maintaining optimal kidney health while staying refreshed. Incorporating a variety of these beneficial drinks into your daily routine can maximize their positive effects on kidney health. Mixing and matching them keeps things interesting, ensuring you receive a well-rounded intake of essential nutrients and hydration. Beyond just drinking these healthy options, maintaining an overall balanced lifestyle is crucial. A well-rounded diet rich in whole foods, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive sodium and sugar can further support kidney health and overall wellness. It's essential to be aware of common myths about kidney health. For example, some believe that high-protein drinks are beneficial, but they can actually strain the kidneys. Always verify information with credible sources before making dietary changes. Real-life success stories can be inspiring and motivating. For instance, Many individuals have reported significant improvements in kidney function and overall well-being after incorporating these recommended drinks into their daily lives, showcasing the power of these natural remedies. Supporting this advice with expert opinions and scientific studies adds credibility. Numerous health professionals and research studies highlight the effectiveness of these drinks in promoting kidney health, providing a solid foundation for these recommendations and encouraging you to make informed choices. In summary, the 10 drinks that can aid in kidney health include water, lemon juice, cranberry juice, green tea, beet juice, ginger tea, dandelion tea, apple cider vinegar, smoothies with berries, and coconut water. Each offers unique benefits. These drinks work in various ways to support kidney function, from preventing kidney stones to providing essential antioxidants. Incorporating a variety of these beverages into your daily routine can help maintain optimal kidney health and improve your overall well-being. While these drinks are beneficial, it's essential to balance them with a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking can further enhance kidney function and overall health. Don't fall for common myths about kidney health. Some drinks, often touted as beneficial, can actually be harmful. It's crucial to stay informed and rely on expert advice to make the best choices for your kidneys. We encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this video. Leave a comment about your favorite kidney-friendly drink and how it has benefited you. Your experiences can inspire others to take charge of their kidney health.